Hello! We're still reviewing the features of the Edit Drawing Guide. We'll talk about the last style of the Edit Drawing Guide, which is the symmetry. Symmetry copies whatever we paint and pastes it in various styles. I'll call it mirror from now on. There are 4 styles in total: vertical, horizontal, quadrant, and radial. Let's start with vertical. Vertical is used for vertically mirroring what you paint. We can just paint on one side and it'll appear on the other side like a mirror. It's suitable for any kind of work that requires both sides to be symmetrical, such as water glasses or vases, where both sides need symmetry. The next one is horizontal. It works like the vertical, but this one will appear horizontally. Both of them work similarly. This one is suitable for works that require symmetry for both the upper part and the lower part. Next, the quadrant style. Once we choose it, our grid lines will be divided into 4 sections. It's like you have 3 additional mirrors. When you paint on one, it'll appear on the other 3 as well. If you have to do pattern designing or something related to designing tiles, this is a perfect option to use. It's like this style is created for tile patterning. You can use it for other kinds of designs as well. This kind of pattern is like the very basic connecting patterns. Regardless of how you paint and how you use this tool, the pattern has to be connected. The next one is the Radial Symmetry. It'll come up with 8 sections. When you paint one section, it'll appear on the other 7 sections as well. You don't need to paint only inside the section. You can paint wherever you want and it'll appear all around. I'll try to add some colors to it. Go to the layer and click Alpha Lock first. Then choose any color and brush that you like. I'll try to paint and see if it works. It's working! If the paint is in the same layer, the results will be the same. You can fill the color in as well. Try to play around with it. It's quite fun. It's suitable for pattern and tiles design, but this style has more corners to play with. Last but not least, we're still in the radial symmetry, but we'll add an option to it. Choose rotational symmetry. Let's see what happens. You'll notice that it's not the same style of mirroring as the previous ones. It's like rotational mirroring. I don't know how to explain it. It's a spiral shape. It's another feature that the app added and is very fun to play with. You can use it with your work for both serious designing tasks or just for fun. Talking about the spiral shape, I don't recommend you use it for connecting patterns. I want you to use the previous styles for that. They're more suitable because the patterns can't connect if you use this style. If we're satisfied with our Edit Drawing Guide and we're done, just go back to the layer or the Edit Drawing Guide and disable Drawing Assist. Now you can paint without a guide.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like or leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. As a thank you, loyal subscribers receive a 10% discount on my Procreate Masterclass. Check the description for coupon code. See you in the next video.